What happened in Islamabad and Peshawar over the last week, and indeed the stunning triple attacks in Lahore, show that the militants are adapting and merging various tactics of asymmetrical warfare used by various terrorist organizations to rattle and shake the civilian government as well as the security forces in Pakistan. The approach originally adopted by the Fedayeen groups that believed in infiltrating targets and fighting till the end has been merged with the more outrightly destructive approach of suicide bombing by the Tehreek-e-Taliban, Pakistan. Recent examples of Fedayeen tactics include the attacks in Mumbai, in which a group of commandos took over targets and took hostages until they were gunned down by the Indian authorities. Out of the suspects, there wasn't a single suicide bomber. What we saw in Islamabad last week was a combination of these two tactics, when the terrorists dressed themselves in army uniforms and infiltrated the general headquarters, killing many and taking 43 hostages. These men were also geared and willing to blow themselves up. It took the security forces more than 24 hours to secure the building. On Thursday, the terrorist threat continued to haunt security forces and the government as 3 important locations came under fire in Lahore, and once again a combination of tactics were used. More than a dozen people have been killed after 3 security installations: the Manawan Police Training Center, Elite Police Training Academy, and the FIA headquarters were simultaneously attacked in the city. Once again, suicide bombers were used, while the terrorists gained access to the 3 buildings and also took hostages. In the recent past, we have also seen the Tehreek-e-Taliban kidnap and kill officials, something that was widespread in the Chechen struggle against Russian forces, as well as a central theme for Al-Qaeda. Given the growing threat of militancy and the adaptations of various methods of destruction, analysts believe that security forces in Pakistan must be ready for anything, as the militants have proved to strike anywhere they wish with a variety of ever-evolving tactics. Abid Hassan, Dawn News.